kitchen, which I got it done through Oaks and Chisel. Basically, when we started to thinking about the ideas and some other thoughts on our kitchen part, and I came to know Mr. Akshit Garg, and he has actually helped us to understand our thoughts and give it to a new color and everything, whichever things which we cannot have asked. I wanted certain type of color scheming for my kitchen, and he has come up with this very nicely done up setup and everything. And once I got through things done from his company, Oaks and Chisel, and which the hardware, the lighting, everything was so apt, and he is going forward and given me so many suggestions, like installing a big basket with double flooring, which gives more of space as a household also. And also he has given so many different ideas, and also the wet point where to do it, and on how we are going to install the upper lighting, and how it helps to the kitchen part and everything. So it has been a wonderful experience, and all the very best for your future endeavor. Thank you, Rakshit.